Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're gonna be filming a what I eat in a day. So I wanted to start it off in the bathroom because we have to take my prenatal gummies. Okay, so every day I have to take 2 of these. Okay, so we've got the orange one and the red one. We're gonna eat them together. Okay, I will come back in a little while when I am making breakfast. They're not like us. Okay guys, we're gonna get started on making breakfast. I got everything out that I'm gonna be using, and I'm gonna tell you guys what I'm gonna be making and what I'm gonna be using everything for. So this is my plate, my fork for when I'm actually eating, my mug for my smoothie, which I'll show you guys. We have my water cup. This is the smoothie that I'm going to be having, the naked strawberry banana. It's one of the ones that me and Isaac could agree on. Okay, we've got milk, we've got a carton of eggs, we've got butter, salt, and pepper, the Himalayan salt. So can you guess what we're making? We're making scrambled eggs. Okay, and then we've got the toaster on the bagel setting, because we're gonna have a bagel. And then we've got sliced cheese. This is, I can't remember what, cheddar jack or something. So we're gonna have that. And I was thinking maybe I could grate it onto this scrambled eggs because I don't have any sprinkled cheese. So we could take a block and do that. Okay. We've also got our spatula and our big old pan, which I think I'm gonna get the smaller pan out because I'm just gonna make like 3 eggs and I don't need that big pan, so we're gonna get the other pan. Okay, we've got the smaller pan. This is gonna work much better. Now we're gonna start by putting butter in the pan and warming up the pan. Okay, so here we go. Turning it on to, well, I'm just turning it on to 4. This is the butter that we're going to use. God. The Land O'Lakes butter with canola oil. We need a butter knife. I forgot to grab that out. Then I put down some. And spread it across the pan. Melts pretty quickly. Okay, the butter is melted. We won't make this until we get to the bagel. Okay. So what I like to do, I'm gonna turn this off now for a second because I like to use one of these little glasses. And I'm gonna crack my eggs. And quickly toss in the sink. Okay, 3 eggs. That will do left. I'm gonna rinse my fingers off. Okay. I'm done with the eggs. I'm using a spoon right now because all clean forks are in the dishwasher. So we're just... Olive's going crazy right now. Just gonna mash those together. We're gonna add in a splash of milk. Usually I do water, but just a splash. Trying to be gentle so that it doesn't overflow. Okay, we're going to turn the pan back on to 4. We're going to let the butter start warming up again, and I'm gonna put the eggs back in the fridge because we don't need them anymore. Okay, so now that the butter is warmed up in the pan, we're going to put the eggs into the pan. And we're gonna rinse this dish out. Pay careful attention so that this doesn't get stuck to the pan. But we've also got to add in our Himalayan pink salt and pepper. I'm going to show you guys what it's looking like close up. Okay, so this is what we've got. Oops, I made a mess there. Now is when I am going to want to sprinkle that cheese on there. So I'm going to grab a cheese grater. Here's our cheese grater. And I'm going to take a slice of cheese and I'm just going to grate it over the top of, whoa. Okay. I don't fully trust myself with this thing. Oh gosh. Okay. Just gonna have to be enough for now because I don't want the eggs to get burnt. Okay, we're gonna turn the pan off. Put the eggs onto the plate. Okay. Now we can grate more cheese on there since while we're doing this, I want to put my bagel in. Thomas bagels, the everything bagels. They have 10 grams of protein if you care about protein. Okay, those will be in there for 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Grate some more cheese on here. Okay, that's enough. Now, my fork. here's my scrambled eggs. We'll add a little bit of more salt and pepper on top. And okay, so now put this away. We've got our smoothie. I'm only going to do about half a cup. And that is my smoothie. Okay, so while that is still cooking, we are going to take care of this stuff and put it in the fridge. Okay. The smoothie goes in the door. Milk goes in the door. Cheese is going to go up top. That's everything that has to go in the fridge right now. Now we can take care of the salt and pepper. These go in this cabinet. The bagels are going to go up in that cabinet up here. Okay. Perfect timing. It literally made me jump, but I don't know if you guys saw that. Okay. So we got our butter. Okay, here's our breakfast. We have 3 scrambled eggs with some cheddar jack cheese on it, a everything bagel, half a cup of smoothie, and water. Okay, so here's my plate. And cheers to breakfast. Okay, so I want to eat the scrambled eggs before they get cold. So let's take a bite. Wow, those are good. I can admit that I can't cook very well, but I love the way that I make scrambled eggs. Cheers. They're like the perfect saltiness and the perfect cheesiness. Okay, now we're gonna eat the bagel. Bagel. Okay. I like to rip my bagel in pieces, right in half, and then just eat little pieces at a time. Cheers. I like to butter my bagel and make sure that I can see a full layer of butter on the bagel. I know that might seem like fat, but it just makes the bagel so much better. If you don't have a piece of bagel, if you have a piece of bagel that doesn't have butter on it, then it's dry. Hey guys, so now it is lunchtime and I'm gonna be eating some pizza and macaroni and cheese. Today we have the Kraft mac and cheese SpongeBob edition. I'm gonna show you guys how I style this up or spice it up or whatever you want to call it. But first it has to go in the microwave for 3.5 minutes with just water in it. Okay, so while that is in the microwave, I am going to show you everything that I'm going to be using to doctor up my mac and cheese. Okay, so these are the products that I'm going to be using. Pepper, pink Himalayan salt, Land O'Lakes garlic and herb butter, some cheddar jack cheese, which we're going to sprinkle it on top, and then some 2% milk, and of course the powdered cheese that comes with it. We are also going to be having some ham and pineapple lightly sauced pizza from Domino's. Okay, so the mac and cheese is done. Be careful, it is hot. Okay, I'm gonna show you like the portions and everything. First, put in the powdered cheese because this is what came with it. So that's what you need to put in it first. Also, this is my recipe. I just made this up on my own. Because I was like, I want it to taste better. Okay, so this is what it looks like at first. Then I'm gonna add in my stuff. So first, or second, I'm gonna add in the butter. Then we're gonna add in, not that much. We're gonna add in about that much butter. Stir it in. Because it's nice and hot, it's going to melt. So. Then, I want to add in the milk, just a little splash. Also, the reasoning behind putting the butter in is because it has garlic and herb flavoring in it, so it pops the flavor. It gives it a little bit more flavor. I'm moving my pizza over here because Olive is trying to get it. Okay, and now we're just gonna take some cheese and we're gonna like sprinkle it in there. We don't have shredded cheese, so I'm using like a block of cheese, but I sliced the pieces up, so we're just like breaking it into little pieces and putting it in the mac and cheese, just like that. I'm making it so y'all can see. We're just breaking it into pieces, and then we'll stir it in, and everything will be good and dandy. Last but not least, we're going to be adding in salt and pepper. This is just for basics. We'll start out with pepper. I prefer pepper over salt. Sprinkle a little in there. And then we'll put the Himalayan salt in there as well. Oh, shoot. Whoops. Okay, so this is what I'm eating for lunch. We have my water, of course. We have the Kraft mac and cheese, which I showed you guys my recipe, and then we have my ham and pineapple pizza. We're gonna give this a taste test. Cheers, the cheesiness. It's really amazing. It's so flavorful, and it's super cheesy. I love cheese. So, if you'd like to follow along my recipe, you can even do it with the big boxes. I just buy these because I don't want to wait for a whole thing of water to boil. But cheers to lunch. Here's a bite of pizza. I don't like, okay, I can't say I don't like, but I prefer to have cold pizza, like the next day pizza from like places like Pizza Hut, Domino's, Little Caesars, because warm pizza just makes me feel kind of gross. Hey guys, it is currently 1:35. Eat a little snack. So we have these Loft House Valentine's cookies, but we already have a pack open. I just wanted to show you these ones because they just look better. But I'm gonna eat 2 of them because they're this small. So, cheers. Hey guys, Isaac is back for lunch, so we're gonna eat some pizza together. He's microwaving his, but I told you guys earlier that I like pizza. Okay guys, this is what Isaac's eating. He's got pineapple and ham pizza and some of the banana smoothie. Okay guys, so it's dinner time. Isaac's gonna make dinner because I'm scared of cans. We're gonna have Spam and these mixed vegetables. It should be quick and easy. There's carrots, green beans, corn, and peas. And then we're gonna mix it with the Spam, and it should be like salty and delicious. Okay, so we're gonna start the vegetables.
No.
We're gonna put water in the pan. That's what we're gonna be doing right now. We're gonna put 1 cup of water into this pan. Okay, that was 1 cup. We're gonna put on 4. Now we're gonna put this entire bag in the 1 cup of water and let it cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, now we're gonna cut this. Now I'm gonna put this inside of the pan, if Olive's not in the way. Okay. You're supposed to cover it while it cooks. I don't think we have a lid for this pan. We'll see if this works. Good enough. Okay guys, we're gonna add some of this butter to make the vegetables taste good. Why do you have to scratch your fleas in front of the camera? Hey guys, I'm drinking some smoothie. Isaac pulled it out and he drank some, so I wanted some. So yeah, while we're waiting for dinner because I'm starving. Cooking with Isaac. Here's our delicious dinner. Here's the dinner. It just so happens that you're in my camera view. It's recording.
I know.
Okay guys, so Isaac doesn't want to be in the video, so pretend he's not there. Don't look at him. Okay, so this is what we've got for dinner today. We've got our Spam and vegetables, corn, peas, carrots, and green beans with Spam. The regular Spam, I don't know, it's just the normal one. Last time we did potatoes with the vegetables, and it was really delicious and salty and everything you could ever dream of if you like Spam. It's good. I'll see you guys later in my next video.